Her decision is the proper verdict for Staff Sergeant Price.
Decision delivered following a 5-day trial into historical sex offenses laid against a Windsor police officer. Staff Sergeant Ken Price has been acquitted of all sexual assault charges. Michelle Maluske joining us now with our top story tonight. Michelle.
Yeah, Stephanie, for the last 13 months, Price has been suspended from work with pay. Today, he was found not guilty to 4 counts of sexual assault.
One word.
Relieved.
Is how defense lawyer Dan Scott describes his client's emotions moments after being acquitted of 4 counts of sexual assault. Staff Sergeant Ken Price was charged last June for alleged offenses between 2011 and 2015. The female complainant alleged Price inappropriately touched her on 4 separate occasions, along with other allegations of sexually explicit commentary.
Are you able to say at all how the complainant is feeling at all?
Of course, not pleased and disappointed by the results.
Assistant Crown Attorney Nicholas de Montigny says they have 30 days to consider an appeal.
As with any case, the Crown will be considering whether to proceed on that route, and as such, the matter is before the courts, and I can't comment any further at this time.
While the judge found Price's testimony at trial to be self-serving and dismissive, she also found some of the complainant's evidence lacked common sense. "I'm not finding that the complainant lied," Justice Jennifer Myers said. "I find it highly likely that Mr. Price sexually harassed the complainant, but that's not what I'm here to decide."
The courts never want a complainant to feel bad about coming forward and testifying. I don't read anything into that. My opinion, for what it's worth, was that the evidence was very much different.
The judge said the Crown failed to prove beyond reasonable doubt the assaults occurred. And even if he likely sexually assaulted her, that is not enough for me, the judge said. Police Association President Kent Rice sat through the entire trial.
We need to adhere to the principles assumption of innocence until proven guilty and the integrity of the law and how it works for everyone. It's a process and nobody is above it. And in this case, it was the proper verdict.
The woman no longer works as an auxiliary officer for the Windsor Police Service. A court-ordered publication ban protecting the identity of the complainant remains in place in spite of today's acquittal. Stephanie.
Okay, Michelle Maluske with our top story tonight. Thank you.
You're welcome.